Hi all, welcome to my channel Journey with Sam. Today I'm going to talk how we can import the files in R and how do we export the files in R. So before we going into it, let's go to the file explorer and I would like to read the file gluck.xls file. So let's go to your R studio and import the library called read excel because it's an Excel file. So once you execute it, the read Excel package is there. So now I'll create a df data frame to read your Excel file. So read underscore Excel, and let's go to your file explorer and copy the path, and let's change the slash into forward slash. So replace all and let's execute. So you can find a df data frame with patient id, gender, visit, the parameter and the results of each glucose test. And now what we can do, we'll go to read another file called parquet file. So let's copy this path now. Let's go to your R studio and we write a par data frame and we would like to read a parquet file. So now let's execute and change the slash into forward slash and now execute it. So you find an error called error in read parquet. So it means that it could not find the parquet file package to read. So now what we can do, we will install the package called arrow, so which will helps you to read all the parquet files. So let's execute this and it will, once it install, we can restart your R session now, and once it is refreshed you can also check whether you can see the the arrow package has been installed. Now it's downloaded with 22.0. So now load this package, import this package called arrow, so which will helps you to read your parquet file. So let's execute now. So it's getting executed. You can see the parquet file has been read here, so which have an id with gender, with age, with country and the score of each student here. So in this way you can read any kind of files in R, and accordingly you can load the packages. Sometimes all the packages cannot be read in one package, so it differs with the type of the file you have. So accordingly check, and if you have any doubt, like if you have a different set of file in your work, so ask your copilot or ask your chat gpt, so what is the best way to use this to read this kind of files. Export the file. How we can export different or various file types to your file explorer from R. So now we will export your df data frame right now. So we will write underscore excel and we will write to the destination here, the d dot data, and we will name with different name and look to differentiate this data with what we are writing, and we give the extension name. So let's execute it. So it's giving an error again, so could not find the excel. So now we will load your library and to the right excel. So once you install it, okay, so it's saying that there is no package. So what we do now, so install dot packages and write excel. So once you install, you can restart your R session again. So let's do that. So once it's restarted, so we can import the file again. Okay, so here showing an error here now. So we'll see it's not an excel, it's excel x. So it's already giving once you load that package, and once you install and execute it, So let's go to your file explorer. You can see look underscore write has been exported now. So in this way you can do. Now we'll check again whether we can export your parquet file here. So write underscore parquet and we give the par and we will export to this area. So let's change this into forward slash and we give the par underscore parquet and we'll give the extension name. So it's getting exported. So still it's showing right. So the thing is we have given the wrong syntax here. So let's execute. So it's executed now. So when you refresh here, the par underscore parquet file has been exported. So in this way you can read your file from any source or you can also export. So here ends the lesson today and stay tuned for more videos.